our mission is to advance organic agriculture basically in any way we can, starting from research. And research is what you will see today. For me, research is it means risk-taking. We take the risks that farmers can do. They can risk their yield because it's their livelihood, but we can. And through mistakes, error, and sometimes some successful practice, we can spread the knowledge and let farmers know what works and what not.
And instead, we're trying to create that physical barrier with cover crop mulch. And so I pulled this back, and this is a barley and pea cover crop that was seeded in late February. We crimped it with the roller crimper. We associate legumes with having benefits to nitrogen, and I dug up a older fava bean, which is a legume, and you can see, I want to point out on the root systems, these little, they look almost like warts or bumps that you care about. But for our sake, when we're growing this for a cover crop, we want as much green material as we can. We want a lot of shoots and stems, and then once the plant starts to its reproductive stage, where all of its energy, instead of growing and getting bigger, it's putting it into filling out these seed heads.
Landfill, the raised beds will be formed, and then the more plastic will put on it. So in California total, we have almost 50,000 acres of strawberries, and they produce a huge amount of plastic that goes to the landfill. And that's what kind of led me to the first project we wrote here for this center was alternative to plastic mulch, and grow those vegetables in the straw. I think it's a pretty good idea. Longer. The one that we had on plastic tended to die. So the survival rate of the plants were higher with the regenerative system.
These type of regenerative organic practices in our farms, we are able to have a better symbiotic relationship between the microbes and plants. And at the end, when we look at the quality of the product and the micro and micronutrients, we realize that, for example, B3, B9, B6, we have higher content of those. Some minerals like calcium, magnesium, we have higher content in the plants. So some sort of amino acid like ergothioneine. Do you know about ergothioneine? Who knows it? It's an essential amino acid, cannot be built in your body. Plants cannot make it. It can be generated by microbes in the soil and transferred to the plants, and you need it. So our research showing these type of practices was like improve the amino acid concentration and essential ergothioneine 10 times more in the plant. So technically we have data that shows our system is working.